A lammergeier is a species of what bird? A, crow, B, falcon, C, vulture. You've put vulture.
Yes.
This is your field of expertise, Russ.
The lammergeier is a huge vulture from southern Europe and North Africa. It also eats tortoises because it catches them and takes them up to a big height and then drops them onto the ground. And there's even a record of someone actually being killed by a tortoise dropped by this bird because the bird mistook his bald head for a big stone in order to crack the tortoise.
Oh, this is great. I love it. Like a couple of little kids down there on here. Oh, you've put vulture. Correct answer is... Oh. Wow, brilliant.
I'd have looked stupid if it was wrong, though, wouldn't I?
Oh, mate. Here we go. All right, step closer home. Well played.